Hello friends, today through this video we'll be getting a brief information about our solar system. But before that, let me give you a brief introduction about our vast universe. The universe is all of space and time and their contents including planets, stars, galaxies and other forms of matter and energy. Do you know what is the name of the galaxy in which our solar system exists? It's the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy that contains our solar system with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from Earth is a hazy band of light seen in the night sky formed from stars. The Milky Way appears as a band because its disc-shaped structure is viewed from within. The Milky Way has several satellite galaxies and is a part of the local group of galaxies. Now let us move on to the main topic of our video, that is our solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Of the objects that orbit the Sun indirectly, the natural satellites, 2 are larger than the smallest planet, Mercury. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. The vast majority of the system's mass is in the Sun, with the majority of the remaining mass contained in Jupiter. The 4 smaller inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets, being primarily composed of rock and metal. The 4 outer planets are giant planets, being substantially more massive than the terrestrials. As we already know, the order of the planets in the solar system, starting nearest the Sun and working outward, is as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you want to know more about each planet? Let's go! Firstly, the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reactions in its core, radiating the energy mainly as visible light and infrared radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy of life on Earth. Sun is the burning star. Let's move on to the planets. The Mercury. It's not known who discovered Mercury. A year on Mercury is just 88 days long, and it's the smallest planet in the solar system. It is also the second densest planet and has wrinkles and a molten core, and it is the only second hottest planet. Mercury is the most cratered planet in the solar system. The second planet, the Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the Sun. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus has 90 times the atmospheric pressure of Earth. The next one is our planet, the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Our amazing planet has been around for quite some time. Like all the planets, Earth orbits, travels around the Sun. Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? Not only does Earth zoom through space, it also spins on its axis. The fourth planet, the Mars. It's called the red planet because its iron-rich dust gives its landscape a rusty red color. Mars' gravity is 38% of Earth's. At the equator, Mars is a comfortable 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but the temperature at its poles can get down to 199 degrees below zero. The next planet that we are going to know is the Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Despite its size, Jupiter has the shortest day of any other planet. It only takes about 10 hours for a complete rotation. A lot like the Sun, Jupiter is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter contains the largest ocean in the solar system, an ocean of liquid hydrogen. The next planet is Saturn. Saturn is huge. You cannot stand on Saturn. Its beautiful rings are not solid. Some of its bits are as small as grains of sand. The rings are huge but thin. Other planets have rings. Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas. Coming to Uranus. Uranus is known as the sideways planet because it rotates on its side. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Uranus was the first planet found using a telescope. It is an ice giant planet and nearly 4 times larger than the Earth. The last planet is the Neptune. Neptune takes 164.8 Earth years to orbit the Sun. It was discovered by Jean-Joseph Le Verrier. It is the Roman god of sea. Neptune has the second largest gravity of any planet in the solar system, second only to Jupiter. Now that's all for today. Thank you.